was really empowering, I feel like, because I didn't even know what a square was until I got here. And now, oh my gosh, it is everything. If you've ever thought about doing something, but just a little afraid, you owe it to yourself to take that chance. Just that, sometimes just getting over that little bit of fear, it just opens up a whole new world.
And I thought the location of the campus was a great place to be. It's spacious. You get away from thinking of the day-to-day thoughts, problems, ideas, and you can focus on the class and the tools and meeting wonderful women. And I think everyone left stronger, more confident, and we're going to keep in contact with each other.
Definitely met some great new friends. Not only did I love learning something new, but I used these new skills to actually build something that the community could use. I love that.